how to find friends that you have removed on Snapchat. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, you have to open Snapchat on your mobile. As you open Snapchat on your mobile, then you have to go on the plus icon that is located up above and click on that. As you click on the plus icon, it will take you to the find friends option. Now over here on the find friends option, you'll have to search the person you have accidentally removed. Then you can search it by name from over here, or if you don't know the name, then you have to go on the contact option. You can go and scroll down. As you scroll down, you will be able to see the pictures. Now over here with the quick add, you have to go on the contacts option and you can see the people that are in your contact, and you can add them from there. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put it down in the comment section. Also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.